A day in our lives as volunteers in Barangay Tacob. Hi, I'm MJ,
Hi, I'm Kay Angeli G. Tabamo.
and this is our work.
Real name, Ronelo Tigoy, appointed as the new treasurer.
Yan na lang. Sama na siya, Paskuhan, no? Yun lang. Paskuhan yung report.
Bagsak pa rin. Manang.
So guys, we are done with our volunteerism activity here in Barangay Tacob as we account their transactions regarding their expenses of Paskuhan and also their reimbursements. And with that, we are also like to thank Kuya
In behalf sa Barangay Council sa Tacob, ako si Ronelo Tigoylo, ang new appointed Barangay Treasurer. Nagpasalamat po sa mga estudyante nga gikan sa IIT nga ipili ang among barangay as ang ilahang work practice or sa ilahang school requirements sa NSTP. And nagpasalamat ko kay murag dako pod siya natabang sa kuha, and I find it good and outstanding. Thank you sa pagpili sa Barangay Tacob.
Salamat po diyan. Thank you so much. Bye guys!
guys.